Hi, my name is Oran Gavin. I'm part of the Dacura team, and today I'm going to be talking about the Dacura data harvesting tool. The data harvesting tool is designed to ease the task of sifting through large amounts of data in order to find relevant information. Here, the tool is being used to capture information on fatality-causing political violence events in the UK and Ireland. After logging in, users are presented with potential sources of information or candidates. The user can quickly make a decision on whether or not the candidate contains the information they are looking for. This candidate does not describe a political violence event, so the user clicks no. Most candidates will not be suitable. When the user finds a suitable candidate, as in this case, then they choose yes. They will then be presented with a form which allows them to fill in information about the event. The first field presented is the location field. This allows users to fill in the country and place where the event occurred. If the event took place in Ireland, the form also provides a field for county. The next field is the date. This defaults to the day prior to the source's publication date, but may be different, and the user will have to find this information. A calendar is provided to allow users to work out dates based on partial information provided by the article. The next field is the event type. The definitions of the various event types are provided in the documentation. This event is an assassination, which means an attack by a small group or individual on another small group or individual. The next field is fatalities. This has been left blank for the moment until the user finds this information. Below this are the motivations. The most likely motivations are displayed, but other motivations are possible and can be seen by clicking here. The meanings of each of the motivations are defined in the documentation. The motivations here are land, conflict between peasants and landlords over control of the land, and religion, conflicts drawn along religious lines. Actors are the people or groups involved in the event. They can be individuals, broad groups, or organized groups. The size and number of fatalities suffered by each group can be set in these boxes. Who the group represents, an organized group, a social group, or the state, can be set here. The form defaults to 2 groups of actors, but more can be added. Finding the relevant information can take time, especially in older sources which are denser and more difficult to read. As users may only have a limited amount of time to harvest data, we want to make the most efficient use of it and spend their time performing tasks that are difficult for computers, not ones that are easy. The tool automatically fills in what fields it can, in particular metadata fields such as the source URL and citation. As you can see, the user has now found the number of fatalities, so they go back and fill it in. The description is the next field. This is a short text summary of the events described in the candidate. Except for date and type, all fields are optional, so the user only has to fill in what information they can find in the candidate. Once as much information as possible has been harvested, the user clicks on Add Report. The following screen pops up to confirm the information they have entered and warn of missing information, if any. They can also mark information as being dubious when it is unclear or uncertain. If they see any errors, they can correct them by clicking on Modify. If not, they can click Confirm to submit the report. When they have done that, they will be asked if there are further events in the candidate. If so, the entry screen pops up again. If not, they are shown the next candidate. The user can log out at any time, and their progress through the batch of candidates they are working on will be saved, along with statistics on the work they have done. The data harvesting tool is an important part of the Dacura system, and provides a quick and efficient way to find useful information in large bodies of unstructured data. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Goodbye.